Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best knives and gear. There's a whole bunch of different categories, including some of my own personal recommendations. There's something down here for everybody, so make sure you take a look. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. So here, very recently actually, I reached out to CJRB and I said, hey, do you guys have a Centros that you could send me to take a look at? I've heard a lot of good things about it. And the rep was super nice and was like, yeah, let me check and make sure that we actually have some extra ones for you to review. And we'll send them to you. So, they came back with, we sent you an extra knife, another knife we want you to take a look at. And then they didn't tell me what it is. And I didn't ask because I like to be surprised. So as you can see, I imagine the thumbnail says unboxing Centros and then some other mystery. I don't know. I'm sure I made it dramatic. So I had to open the actual boxes. I wasn't sure who it came from, and I had to understand what was in it so that I set the video up correctly. But I have not actually looked inside of these boxes yet or at the labels, but I'm realizing I'm going to have to so that I know. Well, no, I'm not going to be able to because it doesn't say... It doesn't say what they are on the outside. So anyways, I guess let's go ahead and just get into these. If you're new to my channel, I upload every single day. I do have Patreon, so you can get your hands on some stickers and a once-a-week Patreon exclusive video. If you decide to join my Patreon and support me, it definitely would mean the world to me. You can find the link in the description if I didn't say it. Anyways, let's just start with this one. Check out CJRB on Instagram, guys. CJRB_cutlery. The first one here is the Centros. Okay, all right. So, mystery intact. I'm really curious about this for a lot of different reasons. I mean, part of it, I'll admit, is probably the Shabazz effect, where, whenever he likes something, we're all like, I want to have it. I want to try it too. And at first I was like, I don't know, because I've handled, I think this is... Oh gosh, I hope I'm correct about this. Is it Dylan Mallory? I've actually chatted with him a little bit on Instagram, and just from some posts that he liked and some of his posts that I liked. Super nice guy. Not the first Mallory design that I've handled. Okay, I get it. Let's open it. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, so this is a thumb stud opener on bearings that is in the budget category. Rest assured, the link for this knife will be right down there at the top of the description. This is a very inexpensive knife and a very well-made knife. Yeah, actually, there's a lot of things on this knife that are... I was concerned with certain things. I was like, I wonder if it's going to look like this or feel like this. And a lot of that stuff... Can I do the reverse flick on this guy? Yes, I can. Oh, man, I can't believe... So these are really inexpensive. Really inexpensive. You can find out how inexpensive if you want to check out that link, but these are not pricey items, and right off the bat, there's a lot of good here. This is really cool. I can't wait to just sit around and play with this. This is awesome. All right, let's find out what... Oh, by the way, steel is D2. So we got D2, G10, full steel liners. Wonderful, wonderful knife. What is in here? I am absolutely curious. Here we go. Okay. That's some, what are those? I don't know what the little balls are. Maybe it has something to do with keeping moisture out of there, I'm sure. Oh, the little package opened up. That's exactly, it accidentally opened up inside of here. So let's get all those out. Some of them are trapped underneath the pocket clip. There we go. And there's one back there. We're just going to leave him in there for now. I bet he'll come out as soon as I open the blade. So this is another CJRB model. Ready? Oh, interesting. Interesting lines. Right off the bat, I can tell you what I really like is the contouring on the G10. Nice and smooth. And then we have countersunk steel liners. I wonder if I can get that little ball out of there. There we go. Countersunk steel liners on this guy. So a little liner lock sunk in there. This is wonderful. So I will include a link to this one as well. See if we can take a look here. It says a serial number. Doesn't show exactly what it is. I will make sure that you guys know what it is by including the name of the knife next to the link where you can pick it up for yourself. Both are very excellent in terms of my first impressions. Really impressed with just the look and feel of this guy, and impressed with the refinement on this guy. This is a step up from what I expect from CJRB, absolutely. And if it's right around the same price point, then that seems pretty excellent right off the bat. I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing, guys. I'm very intrigued. Thanks again, CJRB, for sending these guys out to me so that I can take an in-depth look. I hope you guys are excited. I love finding a good budget knife, and it's been a little bit on this channel before since I've handled a knife that was really inexpensive and really knocked it out of the park. So I have high hopes for both of these guys, absolutely. But yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments section, you know, as usual. But that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.